Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and I'm back with another TACKLIFE tool review. This is on the 1/4 sheet finish sander power tool, and I pulled it out of the box. All I did was pull the plastic off of it, and I mean, here's how it comes straight out of the box. Pretty much plug and play. So I got the sheet of sandpaper on it, and so that's how it came. Some of the other accessories, you got your user manual, so that was nice. Oh, and there's one piece, I guess. Fell out because I did open this and look at it before I turned the video on, obviously. Left it in the truck, but it's got, if you can see right here, well, there's a little bit better view. It goes on where the dust comes out. There's a little filter system, or one of the things I like about this, it's pretty versatile. You got an adapter for like a shop vac, because it also comes with these clamps. What these clamps allow you to do is actually take this, and it's designed to be flipped over, and you can see how it's flat on the bottom, or slash top, bottom now. It's flat down there, and it's actually designed for that, for you to bolt this, or not bolt it, but clamp it to a bench, like a workbench, because you can clamp it to a workbench, and now you have a sander. Your control switch is here. So yeah, what's that say right there? 900 watts. Man, it looks like a beast. I don't know. I haven't used it yet. I'm going to use it though. You can see these white floors in here, in a house I'm fixing up, which will be on some other videos. And you can actually see it in the video right there. See a little knot sticking up? It's where 4 pieces of plywood comes together, and on that corner it's all notched up, and these floors need to be smooth. There's another little spot here. So I'm going to take the sander in any of those spots like that. I'm just going to take it, and I think I'll make pretty quick work of them. We'll sand all those down, and fill in all the, I think there's a little bit, some gaps here. We'll fill those in. They just gotta be with putty and sanded. I think that might be too much for that. But as far as just making quick and easy work of this plywood, I think this is gonna be, it's gonna do the job pretty good. And like I said, I really like the fact that I looked at some of the other ones. They were the same as this, and I didn't really see any that did that, where you could flip it over and actually like clamp it to a workbench. I just see that as being something that might be pretty handy in the future, if the more I use it, make it more useful. So anyways, I'm going to give this a shot. I didn't bring my tripod, so I'm not going to really be able to record it in action, I guess. But we'll see. Maybe if I can control it with one hand, we'll try it. But, alright. Be right back, and we'll see how this thing works. Sorry for the terrible lighting, but this little spot here, I mean, it was sticking up a good 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch. It knocked through it in about 30 seconds. Nice and smooth now. Some nice pile of dust. So, I was pretty happy with it. And then, that little spot, yeah, knocked it down just about the same. So, it's a pretty powerful little thing. I think I'm going to be very happy with that purchase. Feels real solid. It wasn't jerky or anything. And the little trigger, you can set it and leave it on, or you got your squeeze on it. But yeah, I think I only use it for about a minute, but that 1 minute opinion it's definitely worth it. I think I paid I got it on sale for about 40 bucks. If you seen many of my videos, I've done quite a few TACKLIFE reviews on things. It's because if you watch, you can get like 50% off coupon codes on a lot of TACKLIFE stuff. That's pretty cool. So I think I paid maybe 40 bucks for that thing or something. Yeah, very happy with it. So that's all for now. I'll leave a link to it on Amazon below in the description, so you can check it out. Have a good one.